In front of me is Nokia G60, and today I would like to show you how you can download and then apply iOS Launcher on this Nokia smartphone. First of all, just open Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then you need to get this app from this developer, and when it's ready, hit open. Now to use iOS Launcher app, you need to choose while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button. Then you can finally access Devices settings. In them, click on Apps and choose Default Apps. Now finally you can apply iOS Launcher by clicking on Home app, choosing it over here, and tapping on Got It in the pop-up. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Android smartphone. But if you want to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into exactly the same settings, Apps, Default Apps and Home app, and tapping on Quick Step or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!